Hello everybody. So through this session we'll discuss our reading section, and in our reading section there used to be an unseen paragraph for the students in question paper. So it used to be the very first question of your question paper. Read the following paragraph and answer the questions. So one paragraph is given here. Today we will discuss how to attempt your reading section. Like this paragraph is there, and after this there will be questions like these. So we will discuss how to attempt this reading section and unseen paragraph. First of all, you should read the paragraph carefully once. Like, drug abuse by the people and particularly by the youth has been a matter of great concern. A large number of adolescents and youth start experimenting with cigarette, tobacco, in other forms, alcohol and marijuana. Gradually they develop addiction. A stage comes when they would do anything in exchange of the drug. Drug abuse is taking a drug or an intoxicating substance without a medical reason. The amount, the potency, and the manner in which the drug is taken damages the physical and mental functioning of an individual. Why do people take drugs? Most of the addicts start using drugs out of the curiosity or to have some pleasure or exciting feelings. They do so often under the influence of their friends and peer groups. Some take drugs with the wrong notion that it will help them overcome boredom, depression and fatigue. The short-term effect of the drug is to produce a sense of well-being or a pleasure drowsiness. The long-term effects are the physical and mental damages that occur due to constant and excessive use of drugs. The most effective way to wean the youth away from the evil is to make them aware of its dangers and educate them. Moral education should be a part of school curriculum, and strict enforcement of law to stop drug peddling is a must. The most important factor is to build a society in which everyone gets the means and opportunities to lead a life of sense and direction. First of all, when you have read this full paragraph, you got the idea that the paragraph is about drugs. Definitely, yes. So keeping in mind and the effect of drugs, who are taking these drugs, children, definitely they are becoming prone to drugs. And after that, what you should do, you should just see the question answers. So you should just check the question answers. First of all, read these question answers after one reading. How does addiction start in youth? Why do people take to drugs? What is the short-term effect of drugs? Mention the long-term effects of taking drugs. What is the most important factor in stopping drug abuse? Find from the passage words that are antonyms of the following. Antonyms means opposite, and a large number of drug addicts are children, youth or old people. So after keeping these questions in mind, now you should once again read the paragraph, and you will find out that answers of questions you will find, like first question answer you will get in the beginning only. So first question, keeping in mind that how does addiction start in youth. Now you once again read the paragraph. So question is in the beginning only, that a large number of adolescents and youth start experiment with cigarettes, tobacco in other forms, alcohol and marijuana, and gradually they develop addiction. So you just mark this as answer of question number 1. Now you have to shift to the second question. Second question is, why do people take to drugs? So when you will find out, you will see here question is also given and answer is given. Most of the addicts start using drugs out of curiosity or to have some pleasure of exciting feelings. They do so often under the influence of friends or peer groups. Some takes drugs with the wrong notion that it will help them overcome boredom, depression and fatigue. So this is the answer of question number 2. Similarly, the question number 3 is, what is the short term effect of drugs? So you'll find out here, the short term effect of drugs is to produce a sense of well-being or a pleasure, drowsiness. So this you have to mark as answer of question number 3. Similarly, the 4th question is, mention the long term effects of taking drugs. So this you will also find in the next line. Similarly, the answer of 4th question is, the long term effects are the physical and mental damages that occur due to constant and excessive use of drugs. So this is answer number 4. Similarly, the 5th question is, what is the most important factor in stopping drug abuse? So we will find out the answer in the similar way. So answer of the question, what is the most important factor in stopping drug abuse, is the most important factor is to build a society in which everyone gets the means and opportunities to lead a life of sense and direction. So this is the answer of question number 5. Next is question number 6. Find the from the passage words that are antonyms. Antonym means opposite in meaning of, first of all, unnecessarily, and second is beneficial. So we don't have to give from our side, but we have to find from the passage only the words which are opposite in meaning of these two words. So the first word that we have to find the antonym of is unnecessary. Unnecessary means, an antonym we know necessary only, but according to paragraph it is important. So answer of the first 6th question, first part is important and second is beneficial. Beneficial here we will find out damages here also, and one more place is there here also. So at 2 places we will find out the antonym of beneficial. According to the passage only we have to give, and antonym of unnecessary is important according to the passage. Similarly, we are having last question here, a large number of drug addicts are. So 3 options are given to us: children, youth or old people. So we have to find it out from the paragraph. So from the paragraph only we can find out a large number of adolescents and youth start experiment with. So definitely adolescents and youth is the answer. So if we see these 3 options, children, youth and old people, so we get our answer as youth only. So we will definitely mark our answer as youth, second part of our 7th question. So in this way we have solved our unseen paragraph. So I am just repeating the steps for your convenience. First of all, you have to read the paragraph, whatever is given to you, and then after that, after reading the paragraph once, you will read all the questions Then you will again, keeping in mind the questions, you will again read the paragraph, and this time you will mark or underline your answers, numbering them 1, 2, whatever answers these were, and after that you will just note them down in your answers also. So this was all about our attemptation of unseen paragraph.